Jordan 1 Bred. Restock. I can't believe it. Restock. On Foot Locker, Champs, FOOTACTION. And I don't know about Hibbit. But they're going to release on the 19th. I can't believe it. Because your boy didn't hit on them. I don't have them. And I'm glad I didn't get them resale. So I have another chance to get these retail. I went to my boy house, B. What's going on, Big B? And I seen his shoes, his Bred ones. And those hoes are clean. Clean, clean, clean. Shout out to everybody out there that got them. If you don't have them, you have another chance to get them on the 19th. Now, I'm not a ones guy, but I will make an exception for those. Those hoes are clean. Gotta have them in the collection. If I don't hit, it is what it is.